Hello students, today in this video we are going to start our next topic, that is lens. So let's see what is this lens. Basically the natural lens that you found in your eyes is that you will found in your eye diagram, that this type of something is in your eye. So this is a type of lens. We will study that what type of lens it is. So you naturally in our eye, naturally you will found lenses in your eyes. You will found the lens in the cameras, everyone knows, microscope and telescope. So if you ever seen a microscope in your school laboratory, you will found that there is a presence of lenses there. So in microscope and telescope and advanced compound microscope, so advanced microscope they use different lenses, different number of lenses. So here you will found the area where you will found the lenses. So basically what is this lens? So when you see the lens is a simple piece of transparent substance. So in the mirror, what you studied, that one part is get coated and it made reflected, but the lens is never coated. They are not coated, no any coatation, no any coat is there, just they are transparent substance and bounded by two surfaces. It's very important that lens are the we say the lens, we can ask one question, that what to whom we say the lens. So basically the lenses are must have two surfaces, So let's see what is the lens and type of lenses and how it forms. So type of lenses, there are basically 1, 2, 3, 4 type of lenses I shown here. First one is your convex lens. So convex lens, this is called convex lens, and how it forms. You are able to see that first we will take how it forms. So here the convex lens, if I will make a sphere, so are you able to see it forms one sphere? Is it? We are not taking this part. So this form a sphere. Again, if we will make another sphere, so here we are not taking this part. So convex lens are made up of two spheres, and when we cut it and join it, they form the convex lens. So here this is the convex part. This part is the convex part, and for the refraction, and they are available for the refraction. So this is your convex, and it is also known as biconvex lens because two surfaces there, and it is formed by the two spherical. When we cut the two spherical, one sphere is one. This is your first sphere. When we keep here one sphere, and when we cut this one, so this is your second sphere. So convex lens is formed by two spheres, and we know that when we call the lens to that having two surfaces. So here is the two surfaces, 1 and 2. So when we join these two, they form a convex lens. And this is your refracting part. This is your convex part. Now second one is your concave. So concave, it is also formed with the two spheres. So here, and the two surfaces are important. So you are able to see that there is a one surface and two surfaces here. So first surface, second surface available for the refraction. So here we will form one sphere and we will form second sphere. So are you able to see this? We form one sphere, two sphere. So this is also formed by the two sphere. When we cut this part, and then we join it. join it, that is your form the concave lens. Now plano-convex. So here one part is your convex, you are able to see that this is your convex part. So here like this, here is a convex part. One part is your convex, that is made up of one sphere, only one sphere, and another part is your plane and flattened part. So that is called plano-convex. Plano-concave, same as it is made up of one sphere, we can say that here. Same as this is also made up of one sphere, plano-convex. Same as plano-concave is also made up of one sphere. This part is your refracting part, means available for the refraction, and the second part is your plane part, flattened